Today we're featuring a 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. It's four-wheel drive. It's got 70,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. All right, go ahead and give you the walk around here. It's black in color. Got the nice running boards on it there. Roof rack. The driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Does have the rear park assist, rear backup camera. Got your tow hitch and your trailer plug in there. Only thing we saw is just a little bit of, it looks like it's been scraped back here on the back bumper and then repainted. Okay, but it's kind of hard to notice. Just wanted to bring that to your attention. Make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle here. Everything looks to be in good shape. It's got the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got a one small little ding right here in the fender. Really small, kind of roll the camera so you can see it. Real small, but guys, to be, I mean, 70,000 miles, some of that's to be expected. It's going to have a scratch on it here and there, but it will be fairly priced, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Has the foldable mirrors as well. Memory seats, heated seats. Mentioned earlier, it is a four-wheel drive. Okay, it's got the WeatherTech floor mats in it. Power driver seat, black leather. Black leather's in really good shape. All right, it's the captain's chairs. Sunroof. Okay, it does have keyless entry key fob with remote start. All right, it's got the nice big center console here. Plenty of storage, USB. And you got your power supply in there as well. Passenger seat leather is also in great shape. You got the WeatherTech format down there as well. Alright, it does have adjustable pedals, rear park assist, dual climate control, CD player. Alright, and it does have the backup camera, and it'll be up here in the rear view mirror, and we'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 70,727 miles on it. Now that we got it started up, I'll show you the entertainment system here. Alright, and then you got your dual climate controls. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problem there. Okay, go ahead and show you your sunroof controls. And then of course your backup camera. Alright. The inside of this Tahoe, well taken care of. Leather seats are in great shape. I know I had a couple scratches on the exterior, but the interior here is phenomenal. 70,000 miles on a 2014. Alright, now I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and walk around. So we've got black leather back here in the back. It's always a little tough to see. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the doors for you so we get as much light in there as possible. Alright, it does have the WeatherTech rubber floor mats back here as well. It is a third row seat Tahoe. Second row leather is in great shape. Not a scratch on it. Hardly a wrinkle. This thing's been well taken care of. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. Okay, you got your rear second row heated seats, rear air, rear heat, power outlet back here as well. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. And it does have the third row. We'll go ahead and take a look at that. Third row leather looks great. No problems at all. It does have the power hatch that comes up. Okay, and I'll show you. We'll go ahead and push that button and get it down here in a second. Alright, it does have the WeatherTech back seat mat here. The seats do flip down, okay? They do come all the way out. You pull the other tab, the seats will come all the way out of the vehicle, and then the mat right here will fit nicely back there. But you can see how much room you got here with the third row. Okay, if we take those out, you'll have all the way up to the second row there of storage or room. So good amount of room back here. Let's go ahead and lay this back inside there. Simply press this button here. Nice and smooth coming down the lift gate. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch steel wheels, okay, with the chrome hubcaps. Brand new set of tires on there. All right, you can see how much tread you got. Brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a 2014 Chevrolet Tahoe LT, 70,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. All right, this thing's going to be competitively priced. It's going to be fairly priced. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.